Stay tuned to see how I decorated these wood crates. Going to use these three colors from Apple Barrel, a purple, a white, and a gray, and these are going to be my main colors for decorating the boxes. So first I am going to lay down a layer of the white Apple Barrel acrylic paint, making sure to coat all four of the sides of the wood crates. Next, I am using a mixture of the purple and the white paint to coat the inside of the crates. I'm going to make sure to cover the bottom as well as the four sides on both of the crates that I'm decorating. I'm going to go over the white coat of acrylic paint with the pewter gray, and I again am going to make sure to paint all four sides of the wood crate as well as each of the four tops of the crate as well. For my last decorations, I'm going to use several of these stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree, which all of my materials were actually gotten at the Dollar Tree with the exception of the acrylic paint that I got from Walmart. But the Dollar Tree that I stopped at is a little further from where I normally stop at, and it had so many great crafting decorations. So I'm just picking the ones that I like, and I'm only decorating one side of the crates because I am actually going to be using these in a project that I will be filming a few weeks from now. This project and the next few projects that you're going to see on this channel are all going to be leading up to this big project because I am redecorating an area of my room, and these are going to actually turn into shelves in that space. And here are the finished DIY wood crates. I really like how they came out. Like I said, they are going to actually be a part of a bigger project that I'm working on. The area that I have in mind to decorate is kind of like a little vanity area, and so I am doing smaller DIYs in these next few weeks leading up to the big reveal of the redecoration of that space, and I'm going to turn these into wall shelves. I am going to be using these along with next week's DIY to create a little area for me to put any little trinkets or pill bottles that I have, and that way I can free up my counter space. So make sure that you stay tuned for the upcoming week's DIYs so that you can see that big reveal. But I do like how these came out. I picked this color scheme for a reason. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you would decorate your wood crates. Thanks for joining me for another video. I know this one was a short one, but like I said, I am leading up to a much bigger reveal. So the next few videos might be a little bit shorter, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with a friend, and turn on your bell for notifications. Leave me a comment down in the description letting me know how you liked today's video and anything that you would like to see once I'm done with this major renovation. Alright, I love you guys wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a great day, and always stay creating. Bye!